My name is Rillian Cotrera, and I made The Quest for Green Beans.
My name is John Moss. The film was Operation Sick.
The name of our film is Save the Great Salt Lake, and we just wanted to make this film to spread awareness.
My name is Ethan Chi. My film is called The Moon.
I made The Dimension Jump. It's about these two girls who get transported into another dimension and they must find their way back home.
The spot that the wreck was there before. That's a good idea. Come on, let's go.
I do like just going out and filming it. I also like coming out with the idea, and editing it is fun too.
The name of the film I made is Still Looking for That One Sock. Oftentimes you can just lose socks, and I made a film about that.
Who you are is so unique and so special, and it's not like everyone else. Decide now that you're okay being bad, because it is okay. There's a 0% chance everything you make is going to be terrible.
The goal is human connection, and the goal is to have fun.
My advice for any other filmmakers out there is to just get an idea and just stick with it.